Hello everyone, Wandering Gypsy Deb here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a family suite. It's an inside cabin on the Norwegian Joy, and here we are. Our cabin number is 10545. Sorry for the weird lighting, but this is how it is. So let's get going and let's see this beautiful suite. Okay, as we enter the cabin, you'll see the living room area with a nice sofa bed here. Actually sleeps two. A nice comfortable chair. Believe me, I sat in it a lot. And a virtual balcony, which is the view from the ship's camera. So here we are right now in Quebec City. As we go around, there's a nice console table here with 4 drawers, a coat closet, which came in handy. We hung our jackets in there, and an umbrella. A nice TV, and over here is the dining room set with 4 chairs, and a nice drink station here with your ice bucket, phone, Nespresso cups, and Nespresso machine. Includes coffees and creamers. Under here's your trash can, some more drawers, and your mini fridge. Let me get it open here, figure out where the handle is. I had a hard time with this every single day. Comes with water, but don't dare drink it. It's over $6 a bottle. The Nespresso machine came in real handy. My husband enjoyed it every single morning. And back here are your outlets. You have an American outlet and European. Coming around the corner, we have the first bedroom. It has a twin-size bed, a nice long dresser, a chair and table, and above that bed is a bunk that comes down, so this room will sleep 2 people. Have a light switch here by the bed, along with a reading light. Figure out the switch. There it is on the bottom, and then another lamp on top. There's plenty of counter space here. There's a stool that pulls out underneath so you can sit there and do your makeup. Hair dryer, trash can, 6 more drawers, and a flat panel TV. Under here you have 2 American outlets, a European, another American outlet, and another light for above the dresser. On this side you have a huge closet with lots of hanging space. You can put your shoes down there. Hangers, and a shelf above. We go through here. We have the restroom with a nice stand-up shower. There's plenty of space in there. A nice sink, vanity area, toilet, storage on the bottom, and 2 shelves on the top. Over here you have glasses, nice hand soap and lotion. They smelled so good. And a glass shower enclosure, which was nice. No shower curtain. You have more shelving in here for your own toiletries. There are bath products, shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, and they smelled good as well. Up top is a nice little clothesline. In the living room, we'll go back to this, that coat closet, TV, and around here we have our master bedroom. There's a stool here with a vanity where you can sit, American plug, European plug, and another light. Above that's a nice mirror. Hello. We have a king-size bed in here, which is super comfy. Two lamps, one on each side, along with the reading lights, as well as another light here, a phone. The reading lights were nice, especially in the morning if you just want to pop on a small light and not be blinded. You have some hooks on the wall. There were some in the other bedroom as well, forgot to mention. And on this side you have two large wardrobe closets with plenty of hangers, hanging space, shelf on top, and complimentary slippers. I think we should have got robes too, but we don't use them, so I didn't even ask. You have a small safe and more hanging space in that closet. Another nightstand on this side with your reading light, regular lamp, and a nightstand. There's a full-length mirror. And as we go around, here is the master bathroom. It's quite large. It has a nice double sink inside with beautiful tile behind it. A big mirror, shelving space underneath, some drawers. There's the two faucets, more bath products, glasses, hand soap, lotion. And again, they did smell wonderful. You get different bath products in the suites versus the regular cabins. It felt special. And there is a glass sliding door for the master bathroom with a nice tub and a shower. And the same bath products, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Nice sliding door. You can take a nice hot bath there and relax after a long day on a tour. And please watch your step. Okay, so here's my honest opinion on the family suite on the Norwegian Joy. It was great having the two bedrooms and the two bathrooms. Lots and lots of closet space. We really enjoyed that. I really liked the dining room table with the 4 chairs inside the room and the living room area. It was so much better than being cramped into any other type of cabin here. The only downfall with this cabin in particular, 10545, is that it's next to the laundry chute. So I would not recommend this cabin at all. There was a lot of noise all day long, clanging, and sounded like somebody hammering on pipes. And it went well into the night, the first night we were here. I did make a complaint and an officer came out and he did tell his people to not do any laundry. He told his people not to put any laundry down the chute after 7:30 p.m. And that did help. It didn't stop during the day, but it did at night. So there was no taking a nap at all in this cabin in the afternoon. It was way too noisy. And here is what I heard. So that's what you hear. And it's not really what I want to hear. I want quiet. Other than that, the cabin was quiet. So I do love the family suite. I would definitely get one again in the future, but not this particular one. It's not a good cabin at all. So don't book this cabin. We did have a great room steward, Darwin, and here he is right here. He kept this cabin spotless. I mean, everything was spotless. And he was just totally amazing. So that's my take on the Norwegian Joy Family Suite, number 10545. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.